going to draw and color basket which starts from the letter B. So the things we need are a pencil, an eraser, a black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. We'll take a scale and we'll draw a line like this. And then we are going to draw a curved line and one more. Then we are going to draw the line below the curved line. And then one more small curved line. And then again one line below the small curved lines. Like this. Now we are going to make a curved line like this. And then one more line inside it. Like this. Now we are going to need a black sketch pen to outline this. So we have outlined this. Now we are going to color with a brown color. Done this, and I'll take a light brown and I'll do it below. And with the same light brown, we are going to do that color for the handle. Try different colors to make the basket colorful. A basket is used for keeping fruits and many things in that. Like when we go to a picnic, we make a picnic basket. On a dining table or a normal table, we make a fruit basket. Thank you.